Graco Table with Water-Resistant Change Pad by Storecraft is one of the best sellers among diaper changing tables products. The Graco changing table offers generous storage to keep your baby's necessities at your fingertips. Both functional and elegant, the Graco changing table features an extra deep surface for added security while changing your baby. A water-resistant changing pad and safety strap is included with purchase. The two large open shelves provide plenty of storage space for diapers, towels, and other supplies. When your baby outgrows the changing table, use this piece as extra storage space for toys, teddy bears, and more. The Graco changing table is compliant with all CPSC and ASTM safety standards to ensure the safest environment for your child. Changing pad included. With included water-resistant changing pad and safety strap, the Graco changing table has everything you need to change your baby's diaper or get your infant dressed in comfort and style. Its elegant design will complement your style. Extra deep surface. Both functional and elegant, the Graco changing table features an extra deep surface for added security while changing your baby or infant. Get trustworthy support for your baby whether you're changing their diaper or their clothes. Convenient storage. Even after your child has outgrown their changing table, the Graco changing table provides you with ample storage. The large, open shelves are great for baskets, storage cubes, or storing bedding, toys, games, dolls, or teddy bears. Complete bedroom solution. Storecraft manufactures products for the total infant, kids, or teen bedroom solution, including changing tables, dressers, glider rocker chairs, mattresses, beds, and bunk beds from brands like Graco, Thomasville, or Broyhill. Unique quality. For 70 years, Storecraft has been manufacturing quality furniture for infants, toddlers, kids, and teens. Compare the manufacturer's line of innovative products to those from Naomi Home, Da Vinci, Dream on Me, Baby Burn, Union, or American Baby Company.